Hey everybody, this is Larry coming at you with another Edge update, and this time from Indianapolis, where we're at the Indiana Career and Technical Education Expo. It's a lot to spit out, by the way. So we're here showing off our machines, of course, and what we can do and the materials that we've got for the classroom. One of the big things for us here is that we get face-to-face interaction with our educators who are using our product in the schools or are interested in using our product. So we get to find out how they would use it, what their interests are, where we can help out. The other thing is we were talking directly with distributors and trying to set up networking channels that way. And outside of that is just getting good ideas for our machines and how to design the curriculum that way. So one of the things that we find is really important to us is being able to talk to the instructors and how they're going to use our equipment in the classroom. This way we can start developing very centered materials for the classroom environment. You know, what kind of projects they want to do, what kind of format they want it in, and what softwares. Right now we're partners with about several different companies who do software, CAD, CAM. So if we can figure out territorially who's using what, now we can start developing some of those tutorials for them specifically in the classroom. So with that, this face-to-face, you can't get any better than face-to-face. And with that, we're going to go ahead and call this an Edge update, and we'll see you next week when we're not at trade shows.